with your USB as your RAM, you need to format and please must select your file system NTFS, format it. It will take a time, and formation is complete. Now close it, right click on the USB drive, go into the property, and then click on the ready boot. Here you'll see these three options. Click on use this device, and you have to choose the maximum memory by this is a 4 GB hard drive. Apply it 4 GB RAM, and here you see is usage is full, and no is being used as a RAM by USB, and you'll see a good progress. Okay, thank you.